Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to stake your cryptocurrency on PancakeSwap. Now, if you're looking to make money with your crypto, one of the most common ways to do so is to stake it, and PancakeSwap is one of the most popular platforms for doing so. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to put your crypto to work for you to start earning more passive income. Now, the first step in the process is going to be to navigate to PancakeSwap's website and make sure that you have a MetaMask account that is connected and has Binance Coin or BNB in it. Now, if you don't know how to do this, we have a full comprehensive tutorial on exactly how to do that. So make sure you check that out and watch that first. So at this point, I'll assume you have a MetaMask account, and within your MetaMask account, you have some BNB. Now, from here, what you're going to want to do is exchange some of your BNB for Cake tokens. So how you're going to do this is go over to Trade, Exchange, and then you're going to have BNB and Cake automatically selected. You'll just say how much Cake you want to buy. And for this example, I'm just going to buy one Cake token. So as you can see here, this is how much BNB it's going to cost. We're going to get one Cake token. This is the price, and we can see the fee down here as well. So from here, we'll just press swap. You can see that transaction. We'll just press confirm swap. Pop up in our MetaMask here, the transaction. We can see everything. We'll just press confirm. And then we can see that transaction has been submitted. And if you don't have Cake added to your MetaMask already, you'll just click on that and it'll add the Cake token to your MetaMask account, so that when you click on it, you'll see, if we go back to our account here, go to assets, you can see we have one Cake and a little bit less BNB. So at this point, we've got our Cake and we're ready to stake it. Now I want to explain a little bit about what staking actually is. So basically with staking, you are locking up your cryptocurrency in order to allow transactions to go through. And there's a lot more to it than that, but just really know you're locking up your crypto and you're getting rewarded for doing so. Now, in order to get started, you will go over here to earn and go to pools. Now in these syrup pools is where you're going to stake your tokens. So as you can see, there's a whole number of options here. Each of them is going to have a corresponding APY or interest rate that you're going to earn for staking in those pools. As you can see, it's quite a bit higher than you would earn from your local credit union, but there is going to be significantly more risk in most cases as well for staking your crypto. Now, the three most popular pools to stake in are going to be the IFO Cake pool, the Auto Cake pool, which we have a whole separate video about, which you can find up here, and the Manual Cake pool. Now, for this example, I'll just show you the Manual Cake pool, how we're going to stake there. So we'll just click on details over here. You'll press enable, and then we should have a little pop-up over here in MetaMask. As you can see, there's a slight transaction fee for enabling this, which we'll just press confirm on, no big deal. That's just going to be subtracted from our BNB balance. Now we wait just a second here for the pool to be enabled. And now that the pool has been enabled, you see we have this button that says stake. So we can just press stake here. We can say how much we want to stake. So I'm just going to say max all one of our Cake tokens. And you can see that our annual ROI on that is going to be about $4.74 from a $7.25 investment. So not too bad in the grand scheme of things. So we'll just press confirm here. Again, we got a MetaMask pop-up, a slight little fee that we will be charged for this transaction. We'll just press confirm on that. And now, as soon as this is confirmed, we should see that we are now going to be earning some Cake tokens from that initial token that we have staked. And as you can see, that one Cake token has been staked. We have not earned anything yet, but once we have, you can just press this collect button and it'll be added back to your wallet. Now, when you've hopefully made some profit, what you can do is come back over here to Cake Staked, press this minus button, and you can unstake as much of it as you want. Confirm that, and then it'll move back into your MetaMask wallet. I don't want to do that, so we're just going to reject that. But when you are ready to sell out, that's exactly how you're going to do it. You can then come back to the exchange and then trade your Cake tokens for BNB to get it back into a more universal currency. So now that you know how to stake on PancakeSwap, we've got a whole another video about farming on PancakeSwap, which you can check out if you want to learn about more ways to make money through the PancakeSwap platform. So make sure to check that video out, and I'll see you over there.